Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple strength king, Laderick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Y'all see what's going on, man. Look at the bottom right corner. It is 2:15 a.m. All right, I have a wife and children, so I can't wake anyone up, but I'm up working. Okay, let me show you why. I'm super excited, y'all. I got my first missions with Builderall. I told you all this is going to be the platform that I'll be using 2019 and beyond. I'm super stoked about it. I just want to show you proof. I'm on my account right now. Actually, scroll up and show you my name so you all can see. Because you know people say, oh, it's not real. Somebody else's account, a screenshot, all that good stuff. So there's my name right there. Let me refresh real quick. Because you know how people are, man. Y'all know how it go. Boom, boom, boom. Uh, anytime I'm recording and going live, all right, my computer likes it's time. So y'all bear with me. But listen, this video will not be long. I just want to show you why you're going to want to get this system. And I just want to show you proof to be committing my journey with Builderall. I'm definitely going to turn this into a six-figure platform, and everyone that partners with me will have the same access, same tools, and same training that I'm using to be successful. So, excuse me, fighting a little cold here. Check this out. I want to show y'all the proof real quick. All right, so we scroll on down here. We go to your earnings. All right, what I love about Builderall is the 100% commission that you get. All right, on that first sale, and then 30%, residually as they go. So as you can see right now, I have available $47.40. All right, and now on hold $48.15. Okay, so two people have already signed up. It's 100% commission. You all know the prices. All right, as you can see, let me get myself out the way here. These are the differences. All right, you have the web presence, which is just basically if you're just wanting to create websites and things of that nature, it's only $9.90 per month. All right. Then you have the digital marketing, where if you don't want to promote the opportunity, but you want access to the tools, all right, you can go for the $29.90 a month, or which I prefer, and everyone this sees the value in, is the Builderall business for $49.90. And as you can see, my business, I've been in this thing maybe 2.5, almost 3 weeks, and my business is pretty much paid for itself. Okay, and I really haven't done anything. All right. I want to show you what we're doing and how this is just so easy, and it's going to really be a no-brainer. You're going to be excited. If you are online, if you're running any type of online business, this is the perfect tool to pick up to go with your business. Okay, 2019 and beyond. All right, it's really starting in 2018. Multiple streams is no longer just a luxury. It's a necessity now. You cannot live off of one stream of income. All right, and so especially if you have a family, it's just not going to get it done. So you definitely need multiple streams. What I love about this is it doesn't matter what business I'm promoting. I can run all my businesses through this platform. And if you can see here, I mean, I don't care what type of business you're running. Look at this. I'm not going to go through all these. Matter of fact, you can pause my video, all right, and look at these. All right, if you pause it right now, you'll be able to see everything, okay, because it is a ton. Watch this. This is really going to blow you away. So as I click on see all features in this plan, you get all this for $50, okay? You unlimited visits, unlimited pages and websites, unlimited funnels, unlimited e-commerce system, blog apps, instant posting, light speed. Listen, I'm not finna do it. Pause it. Or you can go to my website, okay, www.learnandearnchecks.com, and you can get way more information. And you can see, man, look at this. I'm still scrolling. I am still scrolling. All of this, okay, this is the one-stop shop for anyone running any type of online internet business. I don't care if it's affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales. This is the end all, the all. I mean, there's no competition, all right? There is no, and we shut them down simply because we offer more, and we are more, we are less as costly as them, okay? Like, they're charging an arm and a leg. I believe it's like $297, almost $300. All right, and then there's still some other things that you have to do where Builderall comes with it all, and you can see it. Okay, you can see that here. All right, so look, once you join my team, okay, I am connected with one of the top guys in Builderall. Okay, and He sends us training, and when you join my team, I'm going to send you the exact same training. Once you join, all right, you can start now. You can do a 7-day trial and test it out, or you can go ahead and get busy. But once you sign up, not doing the 7-day trial, the 7-day trial will let you fill it out. But once you actually join and you pay the $49.90, I'm going to send you training. All right, you're going to have access to our training group inside Facebook. All right, and then I'm going to send you an email that you're going to have your own membership password and login to get access. All right, to this 6-figure blueprint for Builderall. Okay, I'm already using, like I said, I've barely done anything, man. It's already working. I've already got 2 sales quickly. All right, I seen 1 sale. I happened to go back and check a couple of days later. Boom, another sale. Just by simply following just a few. I literally have not done anything yet, y'all. So get prepared, because I'm telling you, I'm going to turn this into a 6-figure business, 6-figure, 7-figure business. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot. All right, you're also going to receive another training as well. So you'll receive 2 different training websites from me, and you're going to have access. You're going to receive a special code via email, or you're going to have access to get inside the group. You have to have the special code in order to get into the group. So that's the reason why I cannot send you training unless you go live. Once you have an active account and you paid your $49.90, then I'll send you the info. You guys, I am super stoked and fired up about Builderall. Like I say, you get, man, oh my God. Just look at this. Look at this, man. I don't know what took me so long, because I heard about it, but I really just didn't look into it. And then I was getting fed up with, the tool I was using. And I didn't see any growth with them. And then I kept hearing about Builderall, everything that it has to offer. And oh my, I'm still blown away. So come in this thing with the right mindset. Listen, you're not going to learn. First of all, I hope this don't scare you. All right, don't get overwhelmed. There's tons and tons. There it is right there. Hundreds of tutorial videos. You are in good hands, okay? You do not have to learn all this at once. I'm not trying to learn it all at once. I'm picking a niche and getting rich. All right, you pick one niche and get rich, okay? You focus, okay? Focus on one course until successful. So I'm just focusing on one thing right now, and I'm going to build it. It's called Builderall. So you're going to be able to build all your businesses. I'm not sure about you all, but I have multiple streams of income online, and I'm going to be able to do everything I need to do with this system. It's bananas. It's like, I've never seen anything like it. It's truly, I'm calling it a blessing from God. I'm calling it the GOAT when it comes to tools and capture pages and websites. There's no competition. Like I say, the only competition we have, just being honest, would be ClickFunnels. But we're knocking them out the park because we offer way more, all right, and it's not as pricey. Okay, it's not as pricey. $50 for all of this, that is a steal times 10. All right, so with that being said, man, I have nothing else to say. Click on the link below. I'm going to be doing several videos breaking down little pieces of Builderall that I'm using. I'm going to be documenting my journey the entire way. So stay focused, but don't wait to see my results. Get in and let's build together. All right. You need it. Your business is not where it is, where you want it to be right now. All right. And that's simply because you don't have the right system and tools. All right. System stands for saving yourself time, energy, and money. All right. You're trying to do everything on your own. You're trying to do it the generic way. You have to get with the times. Okay. You have to get with the times, and the leaders, all right, and the successful people, they have systems and tools in place to put their businesses on autopilot. From the top big corporation businesses, I heard the Fortune 500 companies, they have systems in place, all right, to make their business run. You're trying to be cheap. Invest in your business. At the end of the day, being business owners, everything we do, when we spend money, okay, when we invest, that's the correct term, it's a write-off. So you're going to get it back. So look at it like that. Don't look at them having to spend all this money, I have to buy this, buy that. This is the one-stop shop. You get it all here. All right, with the other tool I was using, I had to, go to another platform to get the autoresponder. This has an autoresponder already set. I had to go to a different place to do the domain. It's already here. I had to go to a different place to set up to create my own website. You get it done here. Like everything you need and then some. This is the one-stop shop, and Builderall can't be stopped. This is the one-stop shop. Builderall can't be stopped. This is the one-stop shop. Builderall can't be stopped. I'm fired up. Listen, I told you I was 2019. Y'all better look out for me. I'm going to take over. Mark my words, okay? And everybody with me, we gonna eat. and we gonna eat big, okay? Y'all know my motto. Everybody eats. This team paid in full, man. This is Ladarius Williams, Multiple Stream King. I will see you all on the next video. Excuse me. Before I get off of here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that bell. And go ahead, at least go ahead and start your 7-day trial so you can see. All right, you're going to get full access to everything until you go live, but you're going to get full access to a lot just on the 7-day trial. So go ahead and test it out. All right, and then join me. All right, and as soon as you have paid, all right, and you're in the system and you're active, I'm going to see it. You're going to receive an email from me, and I'm going to get you ready to rock and roll. Okay, I will see you all on the next video. Y'all have a phenomenal night. Let me get back to work.